Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Did you know this? According to BornGlorious.com, Michael Norman Manley ONOCC was born on December 10, 1924, in the parish of St. Andrew Country, Jamaica. According to Britannica.com/biography/Michael Manley, he is the second son of Jamaica's Premier Norman Washington Manley, the co-founder of the People's National Party (PNP), and Jamaican artist Edna Manley. He attended the London School of Economics, where he studied with socialist Harold Laski. After graduating school, before he returned to Jamaica in 1951, Michael Manley worked as a freelance journalist in London. Did you know this? Michael became active in the trade union movement. In 1962 he was appointed to Jamaica Senate, and in 1967 he was elected to the House of Representatives. Manley succeeded his father as president of the PNP, and when the party won the election in 1972, he became prime minister. Did you know this? In 1973 he was one of the founders of the Caribbean Community and Common Market CARICOM, cultivated close relationships with Cuba and the socialist countries of Eastern Europe and the Far East, a move that did not sit well with the United States. He lost the election. Jamaicans who nicknamed him Joshua after the biblical prophet. Did you know this? In 1976 he was re-elected. He lost the 1980 election to Edward Seaga of the Jamaica Labour Party (JLP). In late 1980s, Manley had adopted a more moderate outlook and favored closer relations with the United States. 1989 he was again elected Prime Minister once again. Did you know this? In 1992 Prime Minister Michael Norman Manley was forced to resign because of poor health. He passed away on March 6, 1997 in Kingston, Jamaica. His final resting place is the National Heroes Park in Kingston, Jamaica. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it. Careface CVP.